Banang kentiu susu ia kikam shna jing shna. Badro ikitiar beper-per. Kibala ban penmi na kisiet kumjuru ban kentiu. Ya kalat yok kam yok jam jong kikun samla. Bat kerpang ban kentiu ya kayok kakot. Nakaliang katnat rekam jong kakin an bambu teknologi. CBTC kabadon hakat laimer bernehat jong kajala Asam. Mentagasngi kalap lipat ba. Saya kakin an bambu teknologi park. Kabadon ru ya ka office rekam jong ka CBTC. Ya kane kakin bat bambu teknologi park. Lawan ban Plie ya ka da uji tendra sing. Ubade Myntri ka Sorkar kmi. Ubapet ru ya katnat donir. Bat kum ucerman ka North Eastern Council. Haka jingadon langru uram muya sekretari ka NEC. Bat chairman ka CBTC. Profesor Biman Kumar Datta dekhot ka NEC. Lambat QA ki officer jong ka NEC. Laseng ya kakin bat bambu technology center. Nadu usnem rajar ha ubenai nailar. Kaban pej ban kami kumno ban kentiu ya kikam shna jing shna. Lani ki jing penmi ya kitiar kitar. Lengba usiet ban airu ikilat jing hikai baper-per syakikun samla. Badru kumno bandi chayo syahat jong kari India. Kani ka technology center kaya langru rengkat bat ka net fee hapo ka United Nations Industrial Development Organization lani ka UNIDO country program jong kari India. Katnat rekam jong ka Department of Science and Technology lembat QA. La pentipru bayakani kakin an bambu technology park late haka jinglut ka balong kumba praklur tam EA baka jingtmu jokani ka technology park kalong ban ai kilat kilenti kumno ban kentiu ya kikam shna jingshna ba kitia lengba pusiet lengba ki teknologi ki bakat kum ka jok ba menta ban pliru ya kalat kalenti ya kitu ki badon ikisap basna tiar badru banyo ya kalat bandi ya ki syakiyo ki hat lengba kani ka teknologi park bat QA nakaliang uji tendra sing kum Myntri ka donor ula auru bayakum kani kalat kalenti berkentiu ya kijing penekam ya usin apo ka jala Meghalaya ru shen onla ban penrekam no anda nakaliang Myntri rangba ka jala upen sngo halor kijing rekam syaka Sorkar pdeng bat nakaliang ka Sorkar pdeng kalong ru ka bakloi ban ai kino kilat jingeram.
We are not going to take much of your time. You have already covered what needed to be covered. I have to compliment you, congratulate you, and also congratulate the colleagues and friends in North Eastern Council. We have been able to accomplish a project which should have been completed much earlier, which got delayed for a variety of reasons. This has been at the cost of about 8.5 crore, and we have now a unique, I think the first of its kind, cane and bamboo technology center in Guwahati. There are many firsts that have happened in the last 5 years after the Modi government under the guidance and patronage and support of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. This is one of them. In the first 100 days of the second term of the Modi government, we have started the first ever bamboo park, again in Assam, in the 6th scheduled district of Dima. And this is the technology center which is full-fledged and self-sufficient. And this is also in keeping with our priority and focus on promotion of bamboo use. Because in the years to come, bamboo is a multiple source material. As you know, its applications in construction, in furniture, in paper, even in art and culture in the form of famous bamboo dance. In addition, this is a renewable source. This is also greenhouse gas category, and bamboo is cultivable in different varied conditions. So there are huge utilities of bamboo which were lying underutilized. Prime Minister Modi took notice of this and has issued instructions to put it on fast track. And as a first major step, under the guidance of Prime Minister Modi, a 100-year-old Indian Forest Act was amended. We have an Indian Forest Act of 1920, which was formulated by the British, according to which bamboo came under the Forest Act. We needed clearance for this. When we brought this to the notice of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, he immediately, because he has a great concern for the welfare of Northeast, for using the potentials of this region to the maximum extent, for putting it to the use for livelihood purposes, and immediately he issued instructions. After nearly 100 years, a British Act was amended and homegrown bamboo was removed out of that category. This happened in 2017-18. And this has opened new avenues, new vistas, particularly for the youth. Because we know in many households and in many premises, bamboo is growing at random. Earlier on, it was illegal, it was prohibited to cut it or use it for other purposes. You were liable to be prosecution, or you had to do it without informing authorities. Now it will be legitimate, legalized, and this will also open up new avenues of livelihood. Plus, for promotion of bamboo, we have started showcasing this in our various exhibitions, in Destination Northeast exhibitions that we have been holding in different parts of the country, including Chandigarh, other places. Now we have one coming up in Varanasi. We have set up an outlet called Purbo Shri in Delhi Heart, where also this will be on showcase, so that the people across India may be able to understand what are the enormous and varied uses of bamboo, because earlier it was not known to them. So on the other hand, the plan is to create awareness, to spread awareness about bamboo use across the country. On the other hand, to increase its productivity, and at the third level, to allow the youth to become participants. So this is about all as far as this brief event is concerned. I once again congratulate you. मिजोरम में होम मिनिस्टर श्री अमित शाह जी का दौरा है ऐज़ल में, और वहाँ पर भी हमने उनसे ये निवेदन किया है कि एक उद्घाटन करेंगे, एक बहुत बड़ी प्रदर्शनी इस तरह की होगी जिसमें सारे पूर्वोत्तरों के प्रदेश होंगे, और ये भी हमारा एक विशेष आकर्षण रहेगा. To give all kind of support, and I will speak to the Chief Minister. If they have any plans, they are welcome to submit the plans. We will encourage them. And this policy of bamboo promotion is for the entire country, more so for Northeast, because this is the hub of it. And this Forest Act also has been amended, which will be an advantage to all the states, including Meghalaya.